I didn't know what I was doing, and nothing came out quite the way I'd planned, but gel plate printing was still a blast. So smear some acrylic all over your fingers, let go of your feelings of adequacy, and let's get started. Hi, this is Marcy from Sketchbook Scheming. Welcome. Day one was a rough introduction to gel plate printing. I first tried to transfer a photo from an old calendar. I then tried a printout of a diner photo, and I then tried just a page from a magazine. Nope, nope, and nope. I turned to a different technique, homemade stencils. I'll link below to the video that inspired me. In that video, they were inspired by Matisse's scissor art, and they told about how in Matisse's later years he was very ill, he could no longer draw in the traditional way, and he turned to drawing with scissors. How inspiring is that? Art finds a way. Aside from some definitely questionable color combos, I really liked this technique, and I set about making a 3-panel finished piece. I thought of this as a leaf-like shape at first, but then it ended up looking also like it could be a feather, and that inspired the little birds that you'll see in a moment and the rest of the piece. On day 2, I made a more elaborate yet still simple stencil by drawing and then cutting out this face. I made a series of prints with different colors and textures, and I tried making layered prints for the first time by applying paint and letting it dry before adding a new layer. I never quite got the hang of the layered prints. It should be that when you put on the white acrylic at the end and let it dry, you can pull up everything that was on the plate. That didn't quite happen for me, but I still loved the texture I was able to get. And I ended up making 2 finished spreads, one for each day of my gel plate work. And for each spread, I also saved the stencils or the cutouts as part of the spread. Here's a look at my finished work. I really do love how they came out. Please give it a like if you liked it. Please subscribe if you want to check some more of my videos. Thanks.